Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can switch the Java version in the Mac system in case we have multiple Java versions installed in the system. So this is the command through which we can see all the Java versions which are installed in the system, and this is the command through which we can set or switch the Java version which we want to use. So let's use first this command to see what are the Java versions installed. So I will go to the terminal now and I will paste that command. So as you can see, there are three versions installed currently in the system: the 1.8, 11 and 21. Let's see what is the current Java version using this command java space hyphen version. So it is giving me the 21 as the output because this is the latest one among these three. Now let's say we want to change this to 1.8 version. We will use the second command, which is this one. So I am copying this and I am pasting this, and I just need to replace this version variable to 1.8. Now hit enter. Now let's check what is the Java version now. So this is changed to 1.8 for this terminal. So let me open the another terminal. In this terminal, if I check the Java version now, so it is still 21. So the 1.8 which we had said previously, that did not work for the another terminal. So to make it work for each terminal each time, we would need to change the Java version or this Java home variables value in the ZSHRC file or the bashrc file. So let's change this. If your system is using Catalina version or the above OS version, then there would be ZSHRC file, and if you are using lower version than Catalina, then there would be bashrc file. So according to your operating system you can check. So for me, I am using Ventura, which is the higher version than Catalina. So for me it is ZSHRC. So I will open that using the VI editor. Here I will press I to go to the insert mode. Here it will change. I have pressed I. It has moved to insert mode. Now I can edit this. So I will just paste that command, and again I will do the 1.8 here. Then I will press the escape button, then colon WQ, it means write and then quit, and then I will hit enter. Now I will go to that particular terminal and I will source that file. Source, then ZSHRC. Then if I check again the Java version, you can see it is also given 1.8. Whenever we open any new terminal, this ZSHRC and Z profile files are sourced automatically, but because this terminal was opened already, so we had to do the sourcing manually. So if I open again one more terminal and if I check again in this, you can see the 1.8 version it is giving me. So this way we can change this. Let's change one more time. So if I use the same command and if I do the 11 and if I hit enter now, and if I do Java version, then you can see it is changed. But to change this in other terminal or the new terminals, I will have to change the same things into this particular file. So let me open this. And I will just change this. So again I will press I to go to the insert mode. Then I will just change this to 11. Then escape button. Then colon WQ and hit enter. Now I will go to the another terminal. So for now if I check the Java version, it will give 1.8 because I have not sourced it yet. So I will source it first. Then if I check again the Java version now, so you can see it is changed now. So this way we can change the Java version. The same thing also works in the IntelliJ also. If I go to IntelliJ, so this terminal also shows the same file, ZSHRC or the bash RC file. So if I open a new terminal and if I check the version now, so you can see the 11 is printed here also. So the same rule applies for all the terminals, whether inside the IntelliJ or the normal bash terminal. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you would have understood how we can change the Java version and maintain the multiple Java versions in the system. Please share the video and do subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.